From a safety point of view, chasing down the heavy-tail objects is difficult because human intuition about the way that perception systems will fail is often not enough. Sure, some surprises are things that a normal human driver would say, "I've never seen that before. It never even occurred to me that can happen. Boy, is that weird." But some things are things humans would never consider an edge case because they know all about them because they have a robust world model and robust reasoning capability. An example that we found in a real perception system was that it had issues with clothing color. What we found was that high visibility clothing, in particular yellow, was very difficult for a camera-based system to perceive. Well, sure, it knew something was there, but it did not classify it as a person because presumably the training data had very few construction workers, and it had optimized to not worry about things that are yellow because there weren't enough examples for it to pay attention. So in this case, it got a person wrong because the person was wearing yellow, and we saw that with yellow raincoats as well. Now in this case, it might be that a LiDAR system or other system would say there's something there, don't hit it. But the meaning of someone in yellow holding, in this case, a slow stop reversible sign is subtle and extremely important to safety. And a LiDAR is not going to tell you which side of the sign you're seeing, nor infer that this must be a construction zone because there's a construction worker holding a slow stop sign. In this case, it's essential that the camera realize something's going on so that if you're in a construction zone that has just been set up and is not yet on maps, you understand at least that you've entered an unmapped construction zone and have to do something reasonable to maintain safety. Where this ends up is you will always have issues with your perception system, with your ADS, that it doesn't know what to do in some novel situation that is underrepresented in the training data. And the question is, how good is your ADS at knowing that it doesn't know what's going on instead of blindly charging ahead, supremely confident in something that is completely wrong about the outside world?